Good morning, world. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. I just dropped off my brother to go to school, and it is raining. Oh, it sucks. Grand Rapids is actually raining. It has been sunny every day since I came back, but the one day that I have to drive to Ann Arbor for 2 hours, it rains. It sucks. It sucks. Oh well, it is 10, so I'm gonna get some McDonald's breakfast because I haven't done that in forever. I haven't really been able to do it because I always get up at like 3. Here, oh my God. McDonald's. It's so good. One of my favorite fast food restaurants. Not too bad actually. It's not as busy on the road because it's raining, so that's actually a good thing, I guess. I don't know. I like warm rain, but this is not warm rain. This is actually like legit rain. There are like huge puddles. It's cold outside. It's cold outside. It's right now. It is April 30th, one day before Tam's birthday, and it's cold. Actually, I think it snowed like a few weeks ago, which is ridiculous because it's April, but it's Michigan. Ta-da! Yum. So good. But no eating in the car. Austin's gonna get mad at me when he watches this. Oh well, too bad for him. We're finally here! Yeah, Ann Arbor, the town of my college. Yeah, Ann Arbor. Yeah, so came back to, I might as well say it, do my fingerprints because I got in trouble. Possession of marijuana. Done with freshman year. Shouldn't be back here, but I am because I did something stupid. But oh well, no big deal. Oh my God, you guys know One Direction? We got 4 Direction. Yeah, 4 Directions. Ha, beat that. And Starbucks. Oh. Oh yeah, big house. Too bad I'm turning left, but here's a glimpse of the big house. Big M. This is Michigan. Turning my paperwork now for the fingerprints. It's fun. I actually debated about, I don't know, putting this stuff, the fingerprints, and on my vlog, but if I'm gonna make a vlog, can't even speak English. I might as well put everything, the good and the bad, or else I'd just be fake. And why would I want to be fake? Always pretend I only party or something, or my life is absolutely flawless. That would be a lie. But my life is pretty awesome, and you guys will see that once I go to Shanghai. Well, I see a truck right now, and I'm gonna try to get him to honk his horn. I don't know how well this is gonna work, but let's see if this works. Yeah! Woo! Home! Finally. Just got back to Grand Rapids. 4 hours of the day spent driving back and forth between 2 cities.
What up?
What up, man? Brandon.
What up?
Yep, so they had McDonald's too, apparently.
These, man.
Yep.
Tell Austin that you're not home.
Taja's here. Look, you want to meet our maid? She's actually really young. You wouldn't believe it.
Don't!
Say hi.
Don't!
That's our maid. She's like 18, I believe. At least she's legal. But
17.
oh, she's
I guess
17.
not.
Damn, not legal for me. But Andrew's girlfriend. That's
Yo, can I get your card?
that's our maid. Andrew's girlfriend's our maid. Isn't that weird? She gets paid to clean our house, even though she's actually one of our friends. My mom tells me I have to go to the hospital to draw blood. So, yay! What a relaxing day, huh? Gotta drive again. Oh, good thing the place to draw blood is close, or else I'd really be annoyed. I'm driving all day. Whatever. No big deal. It's nice though. Still raining. I don't know if it's cold outside, so I didn't wear a jacket, but at least I got a shower before I can go draw blood, because I was feeling kind of gross. Ooh, dim light. Let's see if that works. Yep. Alright. Let's go to the hospital. Look at that. Look at that. It's all wet. It's so moist. It's so moist outside. Some people don't like the word moist. I don't know. Very neutral feelings about that. I don't really care about it. Close your eyes if you don't like seeing blood. This is in Shanghai. Do you know where that is?
No, I do not.
It's in China.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you have an intern for what?
Consulting.
Really?
Financial consulting. Yep.
Good for you.
Thank you. Look at this. I go into the hospital or lab or whatever that thing is for 2 minutes and it's raining hard again. That was so fast. The weather is so unpredictable here. It's ridiculous. That was the fastest blood draw I've ever had, but I have the Band-Aid to prove it. Done. That wasn't that bad. Now, anything goes. I don't know. And I don't think there's any food in the fridge, so I'm gonna go get KFC. Austin, do you want anything? Give me, KFC? Yep. Give me, can you give me 10 spicy wings? I'll pay back. Alright. I was gonna ask Tam to come and hang out with us at my place, but I think I'm gonna knock out after I eat KFC, so no point in hanging out if I'm just gonna go to bed. I don't know why I've been hanging out in the rain today, actually. I feel like a lot of my video is just complaining about rain, but I mean, it's not like I don't like rain. I don't mind the rain. But can't play tennis in the rain and do a lot of the things I like to do, so that kind of sucks. What's a good thing about rain? Let me think. Waters plants. So right now I am at Shell gas station #1, filling up the gas tank. Yep, #1 because I'm the best. But yeah, got the KFC in the car. Can't wait to go back and eat it. I'm so hungry. I actually saw something interesting driving on my way to KFC today. It was I stopped at a red light and I turned to my left and I see someone lighting up a bowl. No, it's a bowl. Lighting up a bowl to smoke at a red light. It was in. Yeah, Grand Rapids is definitely the best place to raise a family. I think this is as much excitement as there will be today. There's not much happening. I'm only taking a nap after I eat my KFC, but I mean, not much else happening until next time. See you guys.
Here comes the 2 to the 3 to the 4. Everybody drunk out on the dance floor. Baby girl ass jiggle like she